Today is Thursday, May 7th, 2026, and we're here at 433 North Frolic in Waukegan, Illinois. And today we're going to be performing an attempted repair on this shingle right here, labeled Shingle 1. And in order to remove this shingle, we must also remove Shingle 2 and Shingle 3. Reason being is because the way Shingle 1 is nailed in at, we must remove this shingle and that shingle in order to get the shingles, and in order to get the nails that are holding Shingle 1 down. So I am using a roof snake, which is preferred and requested by the insurance. So we will now begin the attempted repair. And this is on the garage, this attempted repair. So we will now begin. I'm going as gentle as possible. I could use 2 fingers. And we have our first point of failure in this attempt to remove and unseal the shingle. That's pretty good. Here's our second point of impact. You can see right there. And there's our third point of impact. Point of failure, I'm sorry. As you can see, there's a tear in the shingle in the process of trying to unseal the shingle so we can go ahead and remove it. There you go. And our final point of failure on Shingle 1 alone. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 points of failure on Shingle 1 alone. I'm gonna go ahead and try to remove Shingle 2 and attempt to remove it and see how it goes. Okay, we are here at Shingle 2, and we're gonna go ahead and try to remove this. Again, going as gentle as possible, same motion, trying to unseal this shingle. And here's our first point of failure on Shingle 2. You can see right there. Again, this technique is used to unseal the shingle, so we can go ahead and attempt to remove it. But as you can see, in the process of trying to, wiggle your way in and be as gentle as possible, this shingle is failing. This attempt is failing. There we go. And another point failure. Okay. So on Shingle 2 alone, we have 3 points of failure. There's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. 3 points of failure on Shingle 2 alone. We're gonna go ahead and attempt to remove and unseal Shingle 3. So let's go ahead and begin. Again, same process as the first 2 shingles, the previous 2. Going as gentle as possible. As you can see, some tear with a little bit of granulate loss on this shingle. So our first point of failure on Shingle 3, I'm sorry. And I'm not even gonna continue to try right there in that area. It's obviously just gonna dig into the shingle. As you can see, the shingle lifted, but at the cost of a tear. Pretty good. just on shingle 3 alone, we have 3 points of failure. So we will count up how many points of failure we have on this roof, on this attempt. We have, on shingle 1, we have 4 points of failure. On shingle 2, we have 3 points of failure. So that's 7 in total. On shingle 3, we have 3 points of failure. That's 10 total points of failure in the process of just trying to remove the shingle right here. This attempted repair has failed. We will no longer continue.